वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत् पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्ठम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा yogi param sthanamupeti chadyam. The scriptures declare that all the fruits of studying the Vedas, performing great sacrifices, practicing severe austerities, giving selfless charity, and walking the path of yoga are all surpassed by one divine act, pure devotional service to Lord Shri Krishna. One who surrenders with faith and love loses nothing but gains everything. Such a soul transcends all material achievements and finally reaches the supreme eternal abode. Devotion is not a path of loss. It is the path of ultimate perfection, according to Srila Prabhupada's purport. Mahashring Dasa.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.